Bubu say hi, Bubu say yay. Welcome friends, let's all play Bubu Baby World today.
Hello friends, I'm Bubu. Today we will learn how to wash our hands. Washing hands keeps us clean and healthy. Come on, let's do it together.
Wash your hands, wash, wash, wash. Make the bubbles swish, swish, swish. Front and back and in between. Keep your hands so nice and clean. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Do it just like me. Soap and water, scrub, scrub, scrub. Count to 1, 2, 3. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Now they're clean, hooray. Healthy, happy, every day. After playing, after school, washing hands is very cool. Before you eat, don't forget, clean your hands, ready, set. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Do it just like me. Soap and water, scrub, scrub, scrub. Count to 1, 2, 3. Top, bottom, between your fingers too. Round and round, don't miss a spot. Now we're almost through. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Clap along with me. Clean hands, happy hands, best they can be. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Sing it loud and say, clean hands every day.
Hi friends! If you love singing and playing with Bubu, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends so we can sing and have fun together.